Bonjour everyone! To start this look, I'm applying my Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, and I already did my brows off camera, so I'm just applying a thin layer with a stippling brush. Next, I'm going in with Fenty's Matchstick in Ivory, and I'm concealing my under eyes. This stick is great when I'm in a hurry and don't have time for a ton of makeup. Most of the time, I use it as foundation when I'm on the go. But for the purpose of this look, I'm applying Fenty's Pro Filter Foundation, and if you've watched my last couple of videos, you know that this is my go-to full coverage matte foundation. And after blending, I'm just going to set it with some powder and add some blush off camera. Going in with highlight, I'm using Kilowatt in Mean Money, and this highlight is super pigmented and bright for a statement yet natural glow. I have eyelash extensions, so before starting my eye makeup, I'm just going to brush them out, and I'm going to use the same highlight as eyeshadow all over my lid. Now I'm going to add a small wing, and I'm using Fly Liner, which is a great long wear liquid liner. However, the only issue that I have is that there really is no room for error. Once it's on, you're going to have to use makeup remover to clean up any mistakes. Lastly, to finish this look, I'm taking Mattemoiselle lipstick in Spanked, and I usually just take a small amount of product and blend it with a small brush until I have my desired shade. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.